What's going on, family? So now I made it to my room, so we're going to do a quick room tour and just to see what the rooms look like here on MSC Seascape. Alright, so this is the room that I will be in for the next 4 nights here on MSC Seascape. Nice plush bed. Got your TV right over here, so I can sit here in the chair if I want, watch a little TV, or just pull the TV out like so, and then just watch TV right here in the bed. Area for your phone, ice. You got your dresser drawers. You got a mini bar, but they got that locked. Then we can head over here to your closet. I have one bag there so far. My suitcase has not arrived yet. There's that. Then over here, you have your safe. Put your coat in, and more drawers, and more area for clothing, or whatever you may have with you. Come over here to the restroom. See? Have a nice sized restroom. I do like the fact that right here, you can take a shower. You don't have them pull curtains like some cruise lines have. So you can get in there and take your nice hot shower and do what you need to do. So this is a quick tour of the room that I will be staying in right here on the MSC